Good afternoon, Randy Curtis here with Wizard of Saws. Here we are at a new commercial project that we've picked up for a client, and this particular client wants to take this large 4,000 square foot space and open it up and give it an open feel for her new shop. And by doing that, we're going to start with pulling the ceiling, the drop ceiling out, and raising it up another 6 feet to the open ceiling. And then we're going to redo all the duct work to put a hard duct in. We're going to demo these shelves here, as well as pull out these walls that she has built in for dressing rooms. So one of the most exciting things about this project is getting it done in that 4-week time frame that our client has put out there for us. Okay, so here we are back at our retail space that we completed our renovation on. You can see here that we've completed by taking the drop ceiling out and raising it to the deck, and thereby exposing all of our ductwork, painting it 2 tones to kind of give it a more open feel. Doing some custom lights that you see hanging here, complete with a brand new cloud system to accent the cash wrap for the ladies. Installed all new shelving around the walls, new slat wall, just giving it a more open feel for our client here. So what we've done is we've taken a 5,500 square foot space and downsized it to about 3,300 square feet, opened it up to make it more expansive and have a much bigger feel. One of the things that our client wanted was a stained concrete floor, where beforehand there was carpet and tile. So what we did is we came in and we removed all the flooring and then came in and did a real nice charcoal stain on the concrete for her. So another thing that we did was we went back and removed all the dressing rooms that were here in the past to open it up more for more retail space, more usable space for the ladies to sit in and to do their knitting and their crocheting and talk and just kind of mingle. A couple of the main highlights are some of these really nice lighting fixtures that are made by a local artist here in Tulsa. You can see they're made out of steel pipe with some custom beading that was actually selected by the owner here of the Loops project and made to her design. So this area was set up mainly for a classroom area. So it's kind of secluded back out of the retail space. So what we've done here is we put a really nice woven pattern wallpaper up, kind of give it that yarn feel to complement her store. Another thing that we're getting ready to do is a final touch is to put barn doors, sliding barn doors over this opening to kind of give her privacy in her office. Back in this area, what we did is we removed the walls and pushed them back a little bit to open up this space for her warehouse. And we've added a storage room with a mop sink, complete to store all of their cleaning supplies and miscellaneous items that they might need. And now over here we updated the restroom to kind of tie it all into the decor of the store. And then around the corner here we made a little kitchen area, a little break room for her team to come back and just take a minute and relax. And this completes another remodeling project done by the Wizard of Saws Custom Remodeling.